Unfortunately, the holiday season is over. It's time to get back to the grind. Give a break to lazing around and stop eating your heart out. But is it that bad? Hey, what's up people? This is Bijon and welcome to the world of Wizmonk. So, it's New Year and the time to break a bad habit and start doing new things. And for many of you, one of the must-have to do things this year is getting fit, isn't it? But are you still pondering about I'm so busy. Do I have time today to go to gym? I have no time. Oh, the gym membership fee is too much. How will I stay fit? No way. I still need to be careful with my funds. Leave it. I love the way I am. Why will I change? Come on. It's not harming anyone. Seriously, my brothers and sisters, getting fit and bringing flexibility to your body shouldn't be decided by the things we just saw. Remember, being fit and healthy should be a way of life so that you live happily. And that's Wizmonk's mantra. And after all, it's science. When you exercise, your body releases hormones known as endorphins. What are endorphins? Endorphins are happy hormones that stimulate the feelings of pleasure, pain relief, and well-being. When you move your body, it increases your heart rate and sweat glands start working. Endorphins come and kick in to make you feel happy. And you won't believe, endorphins also help kick off harmful habits like wanting to consume drugs, alcohol, junk food. This video is for those of you who have never done any sort of exercise, but who are determined to get fit. There is no excuse of time, money, or going to the gym, because you can do this at home like I am going to do. And it's just 10 minutes every day for 30 days. After that, when you see the progress, I'm sure you will want to work out a little longer. If 10 minutes is difficult, just spend 5 minutes each day. And with time, you will see the results. And my dear brothers and sisters who are already working out, kudos to you. Keep doing the good stuff. I'm very much proud of you. Now let's get to working our body. It's very important that we do our warm-up before we start our workout, because the chances are quite high that you will injure yourself. So make sure that your body is always warm up before you start your workout. So let's begin. We'll start from our head to toe. So now let's begin. Now the first exercise of the day, that is push-up. Let's begin. The traditional push-up is like this. But if you find difficult to do this exercise, no problem. Bend your knees like this and then you begin. We'll start. Traditional push-ups are beneficial for building upper body strength. They work the triceps, pectoral muscles, and shoulders. When done with proper form, they can also strengthen the lower back and core by engaging the abdominal muscles. Push-ups are a fast and effective exercise for building strength. The second exercise that we have is elbow plank. It's very good exercise for our core. Let's begin. Elbow planks strengthen your core and improve stability. Planks work your entire body compared to crunches and help in reducing back pain. By strengthening your back, chest, shoulder, neck, and abs, this exercise gives you better posture and improves balance. Other benefits include increased muscle definition, better metabolism, enhanced bone and joint health, boosts moods, and also relieves stress. The third exercise is workouts. So we'll begin. This is an excellent exercise for getting all your major muscle groups fired up. Workouts will get the blood flow to and stretch out your hamstrings, calves, glutes, and lower back. You need to work on hamstring strength, especially when you're older, in order to stay mobile. Now what you can do, you can take rest for 45 seconds and then we will begin. During this point of time, what is more important is that you take a deep breath. In between, if you feel thirsty, you can always drink water, no problem. All right? So now what I'll do, I'll take some breath. So the fourth exercise we have is backward lunges. It's very important while we do your lunges, make sure that you need to tighten your glutes and keep your back straight. Now let's begin. Make sure that your posture is like this. The lunge is a resistance exercise that can be used to help strengthen your lower body. You can target hips, glutes, and thighs all in one simple motion. The pressure on the knee is reduced with backward lunges compared to regular lunge and is hence safer for knees. The fifth exercise that we have is side to side squat. What we will do, very simple. We will be spreading our legs approximately 45 degrees, like this. And then we will shift our weight to one of our legs, let's say on the right hand side. And then we will shift another leg. Now let's begin. Side to side squats activate several muscle groups simultaneously, working the legs, glutes, and core. The squat increases performance and flexibility, and the side to side movement improves dynamic balance and agility. This exercise adds lateral movement and extra strength to your outer and inner thighs. That's it. Now, our sixth exercise that we have is squat hold. What we will do, before we doing squat, we will be holding the squat like this, right? Make sure that your body is straight. So let's begin for 30 seconds. Doing squats strengthens your body for daily movements. They effectively work most of the major muscle groups. This is a great way to improve ankle mobility and restore full range of motion. A squat hold stretches the thigh or shorten muscles in the lower back, hence providing back pain relief. It's tough. It's tough. If you cannot do that for 30 seconds, no problem. You can do it for 10 seconds or 15 seconds. So now let's go to Whizmonk. And the much awaited, the wistful tip. Fitness is a constant journey, not a destination. Keep moving your body for better health every day of the year, not just January. Come on. With time, you will progress into a new world of health and wellness. What is important is you attempt, and if you do it continuously, it will become a habit. Just try once at least and don't give up. If you want to learn on how to achieve your goals by being continuously consistent, do click on the link in the description below and also appearing on the screen there. I'm sure it is going to help you, trust me. And my dear friends, this is just the beginning. Our body gets used to routine very easily. So it's important to bring variation in your exercises so that our body doesn't get into the state of plateau. Stay tuned as I will bring another set of exercises in one of my upcoming videos. Till then, you stay consistent. And trust me, it will pay you. Thank you, my friends, for joining Whizmonk today on your beginner's journey to fitness. Good luck this year. And if you really like this video, please go ahead and smash that like button, share and subscribe to Whizmonk. And most importantly, don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more interesting tips and tricks for that buzzingly blissful life which I promised you. So, until next week, adios amigos, signing off, your Whizmonk.